Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your FOV in Warzone or Modern Warfare 2. So navigate up to settings in the top right hand corner, click on graphics. You'll see some settings in the top left hand corner. You want to navigate to view, and then it's the top setting right at the top. So field of view allows you to see more around yourself as the player. It also gives you an advantage in like ranked play if you want to see essentially more around you. Sometimes the different field of views, especially the higher ones, can give you somewhat of a disadvantage, so play something that feels comfortable to yourself. I normally play around 110 to 105, but it's obviously up to you. Set this to whatever you'd like and test it out. Bonus tip of the day is ADS field of view. ADS field of view, if you change this to affected rather than independent, will allow you to get less vertical recoil. Try it out for yourself in game. Let me know how you go.